For over 75 years, HVAC contractors have trusted Baker Distributing for supplying only the highest quality HVAC-R equipment, parts, and supplies, and staying at the forefront of technology. We exist to support the growth of our contractor partners by helping them learn about and access some of the smartest, most advanced HVAC products in the world. We also believe that we have a responsibility in driving the transformation of our industry towards a lower carbon future, one where our customers, team members, consumers, and the planet can thrive. And we strongly feel that actions speak louder than words. For these reasons, we recently invested in the upgrade of our own HVAC system at our headquarters in Jacksonville. We replaced our outdated centralized HVAC system with a new ductless, ultra-efficient variable refrigerant flow system, offering a more efficient, flexible, and environmentally friendly solution. One featuring energy-saving low-frequency inverter technology, no water use, zone-by-zone temperature control, and a photocatalytic filtration system that eliminates 99.9% of airborne bacteria and contaminants to purify air quality. This investment not only provides significant benefits for the health and comfort of our team, but longer-term cost efficiency for our corporate stakeholders and health of the environment. Critical to this transformation were Mueller Streamline's ACR copper press fittings. We chose Mueller Streamline because we know it is one of the best-known, most trusted names in the industry, with a history of providing best-in-class products that enable contractors to work more efficiently and productively. The ACR copper fitting press system we used, with its broad range of fitting types and trap technology with dual seal ring design, is the latest example of this kind of industry-leading innovation. By utilizing these revolutionary copper fittings with their proprietary press jaw solution, we were able to eliminate the need for torches, improving project safety and increasing operational efficiency, while avoiding contamination and ensuring joint integrity. True to Mueller Streamline's reputation, we found these fittings not only to be more reliable, but more intuitive to work with, providing a truly exceptional refrigerant press joining system with greater durability, easier installation, and outstanding leak resistance. Thank you, Mueller Streamline, for helping Baker Distributing with our milestone corporate HVAC upgrade, and for all you do to help push our industry forward.